Uh-oh, uh-oh. All right. Moving right along. So here we have our sublimated image. And I'm just going to trim one of them out. Like so. And I'm just going to trim around this edge. Just a bit. So that I can place him in there. Perfect. And then I'll probably trim around the bottom of this edge here. Just so I can get my placement, y'all, on top of the reflective. Boom. Now we're going to flip it over. Yep, that looks good to me. Make sure he's on that reflective like so. Boom. Of course, we're going to cover it up with our packing paper. I'm excited to see how this is going to turn out, y'all. I'm really excited. This is my first time sublimating onto reflective. I've sublimated onto glitter, sublimated onto polyester. Now let's sublimate right on top of this reflective. See how it comes out. 60 seconds. If it isn't love, why does it hurt so bad inside? A Rotaroo, just waiting. He be like, a Rotaroo. 22 more seconds, y'all. The countdown is real. I'm trying to tell y'all. If this works how I think it should work, man, I'm changing the game again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beep. Are y'all ready for this? Are y'all ready for this? Let's, man, ooh. Let's get it. Well, as I can ascertain, it's okay. No, it ain't. It's, I don't know. It just depends on what y'all see. Because I'm like, nah, that ain't it. Nah, that ain't it. We're going to have to try this again. We're going to do this on glitter like I did it last time so that it could really pop. But yeah, that's what happens when you do trial and error, y'all. It's not bad, but it did sub on there. It definitely did sub on there. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, see, y'all can't. Let me bring y'all over here, cause I can't. See, it's so bright, you can't even see it. Look at that. Womp womp womp. Just looks like a circle. But then when the flash comes off, you can see where it did sub on there. But if the light hit it, it's gonna disappear. So trial and error, do not sub on top of reflective. Sub on top of white glitter. And I'm out.